Kidding me? When we first together, I hide my fart. Yeah, I've been crying. Kapag iyak ako, yung ilong ko, lumalaki din. Iwan ko ba? Magkasakit ako sa puso nito. In Roxy, I was outside. I was like crying and texting because I was crying and texting at the same time. And then Roxy, she just like look at me, try to lick the tears. She just kept looking at me like, "What's wrong, Mama?" She's right there. I know, Rox. Mama have a heartache that I let out. Kailangan ko lang talagang ilabas. I just really need to let it out. Because you're annoying. I know you're not trying to be annoying, but you love your sister. She like to lick them. Egg. I'm number 1. Okay, let's eat.
I didn't use none. I got all those powers I could use.
Okay, so I can. How can I use it?
You can. Every game you get. You gotta build it again.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna have breakfast. The egg and the, how do you call that? Pancake and this sugar-free thing. And I have my coffee right here. And let's have breakfast. What happened?
No cheese, no salt, no pepper. What the heck?
There's pepper. There's salt in it, hon.
Yeah.
I put a lot of salt. I know. Oh. No salt. Are you kidding me, honey? Your taste bud is gone.
Probably.
Guys, we are busy playing it. Yesterday when I heard Tommy start playing, I heard the music of the game on. And I think because it's really listening the music, it's satisfying when she keep playing. But I think that's why he turned it on. You know where he played these games, guys? Mostly in the bathroom. There's nothing wrong with it. We're freaking human. You know the president fart, you know the poop, and they're not smells good. Okay, it's just like freaking human. The reality in England, they poop, and then maybe those who have a diaper already. Okay, so we're freaking human. I'm not embarrassed. Be real, honey. Ay nako. Kidding me? When we first together, I hide my fart. That's why sometimes my fart is like this. Now, Roxy came up. No, yeah, why? What is it? What is it? Oh, Roxy, I need to cut the hair of your leg because it's really long now, baby. It need to be taken care of. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut. You know, his paws have this. You know, full leg. The paws have this. How do you call that? Paws, right hand? Paws. In between those paws, the hairs get really long. Some other dogs are trimmed really good. You can see the nails in it. I don't know how people do it. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. How to cut that in YouTube. You win? No? Done? I don't know if you need help in the ceiling up there. You can do it. You think it will dry later on and then we can think that. You did it?
Okay.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah.
Naawa ako sa deer, guys. There's two, they're walking slowly and then the dog noticed it. Halfway. And then they go running. They go running. Oh my god, the mother and daughter, guys. That's the one that they keep coming back here. Just done cutting.
It was okay earlier, but now.
Hi guys, just done cutting the dog paws because the hair is really long, like same as length of my hair. It's so hot. The car is messed up, guys. There's a lot of like yellow dots in it, and we can't even take it up. There's a helicopter somewhere. It's right there. Ah, it's a military copter. Of course, dami now. This one right here, this is the second time, and the first time is this one. We thought it's just we can get rid of it, but this is from stuff in the garage. Let's go inside. I'll put you inside, guys. She's trying to tell me to go out. Sam is watching Stargate. I'm gonna have Uwishi. I don't know him. Oh.
Do you know the show? Much better looking on the outside than you want on the inside. On the
It's
inside,
just spicy.
so complicated.
It's really not really that spicy, guys. Pulutan.
You see.
I can't vacuum. Tom is sleeping. What are you doing? I see you some. Ay nako. That's not good. He jumped on the. She jumped on the freaking couch, and then when she saw me, she jumped down. Anyway, I'm just gonna. This is a yellow bell pepper, guys, and ano to, lemongrass. Kasi I decided to just make munggo with gagatain ko siya, gagatain. Ito. You said, oh, the bug. I'm gonna use something bug.
I said for the cats.
Yeah.
Actually, it's going to be for the cats and the dogs because there's a little bit of ham for dogs. But I know that you gave the dogs some chicken.
No, I didn't, Han. If I said I didn't, okay? I don't lie, Han. Why you put words in my mouth, Han?
Because I know you.
But I know that...
My dogs are so special. No. They have to have everything the cats have.
Han, I didn't give anything to the dog. The chicken is with the cats. You want me to drive?
No.
Why?
Okay. You drive all that.
You drive all the time. So we're gonna get turkey. He's going to get turkey. And I'm gonna tell him to get some salt. The salt one. With sea salt, Han.
Oh, look at the window.
I told you, the thing is so dirty.
Disgusting.
Yeah, we didn't clean it properly.
That's the soap's on it.
Yeah, even in the side door window. You can clean it, right? With a spray.
Yeah, hard water spots. You can't worry about that.
Huh?
Hard water.
Try to spray it then.
Look at all those spots from your camera.
Yeah, I need to clean it inside. Look at that, complaining, guys.
Grandma, easy, grandma.
Yeah, tingnan mo.
By the words that you say, the voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be?
Hi guys, it's already 8:37 and I haven't showered yet, and Tommy's still here in their living zone, and he's here. He's here. He's here.
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
You're here, hon. Just now, he's here with me, and he bought the freaking cat a drug, like a human drug, but it's a cat
You said
drug.
they really like it, so I put those pouches down there, like those. They're filled with catnip.
It's a catnip, guys. Once you put this in the freaking box that they have, the toy, whatever, they go crazy, guys. They're like, you guys seen it, right? Love you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna end this vlog now too because I'm still gonna clean up, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and please click the notification bell, please, guys. Please say hi, please, son. Please.
I didn't know you talking about please.
Please, guys. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, Rox. Bye. Oh, I step on your leg. I step on your leg. I step on your leg. Bye, bye, bye. Guys, bye. I made this bean last night. What do you think about the bean, Mom?